Hello, my dear family members. Today we'll discuss some important abstract reasoning questions which are very important for your upcoming Accenture exam. So please watch till the end because I will discuss the real questions as well. Okay. So I'll discuss the sitting arrangement questions which are actually from abstract reasoning. So let's discuss all the types of questions from sitting arrangement. Okay. So this is the first type of problem, which is a straight line based problem. Five girls are sitting on a bench to be photographed. Seema is to the left of Rani and to the right of Bindu. Mary is to the right of Rani. Rita is between Rani and Mary. So this is the question we have to solve. Okay. So this is very simple task. So this is actually based on straight line. Okay. So nowhere else you are mentioned if they are facing to the north or south. So you have to assume any side. Okay. So let's draw the diagram so that the questions will be solutions will be easier. Okay. So Seema is to the left of Rani. Okay. Seema is to the left of Rani. So I'm assuming that they are facing to the north. Okay. So Seema is to the left of Rani. So Rani is here and Seema is here. And Seema is to the right of Bindu. Is to the right of Bindu. Okay, Seema is to the right of Bindu. Mary is to the right of Rani. Mary is to the right of Rani. Okay, Mary is to the right of Rani. Just not immediate right. Okay, so remember this term. Immediate right. Just right. Okay, so if this was mentioned, then I would put Rani. Sorry, I would put Mary here. But I'll put Mary somewhere else in the right side of Rani. Okay, so uh, then it is mentioned that Rita is between Rani and Mary. Rita is between Rani and Mary. So this is Rani and this is Mary. Okay, so the question is, who is sitting right to Rita? So right to Rita is Mary. Okay, so this is very simple task. So answer is this. Okay, Mary. So I hope you understood. Okay, let me check if you are watching attentively or not. So please give me the answer. Who is sitting just right to the Bindu? Okay, so I hope you will give the answer. Okay, so let me show you the next question. So this is the next type of problem. This is based on circle. So six friends are sitting in a circle and are facing the center of the circle. Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. Okay, so these are often asked in any type of placement exam and as well as in Accenture. Okay, so at first in this type of problem, draw a circle. Okay, and on the base or clock, you have to draw this 12, 6, 2, 8, and 10, 4. Okay, so draw this because there are six friends, so I have drawn this. Okay, so now let's discuss the instructions. So Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. Let's say Deepa is here. Okay. Prakash is here and Pankaj is here. Okay. Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. This is fine. Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. So I don't know where to put them, but let's discuss this next information. That is Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. So this is the opposite. Okay. So that's why I have to put Mukesh just opposite to the Prakash. That means 4 is opposite to 10, 12 is opposite to 6, and 2 is opposite to 8. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, now let's discuss the previous instruction. That is Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. So Mukesh and Lalit must be here so that Preeti will be here. Okay, so I hope you understood. This is Preeti and this is Prakash. Okay, so let's discuss the question. Who is sitting right to the Prakash? Right to Prakash. So Prakash is here. So right to the Prakash is Deepa. Okay, so the correct answer is this. So I hope you understood. Okay, so I am just giving you a problem. Who is sitting just next, left to the Lalit? Okay, so please give me the answer. I hope you will give the answer and I will give you the heart if you are watching attentively. Okay, so just wait, I'll show you the real questions. Just watch till the end. Okay, so let's discuss the next type of problem. So this is the next type of problem. This is based on parallel line. So these are often asked in any type of placement related problem. Okay, so please give importance to this. Okay, so A, B, C, D and E are facing five men sitting in a line facing to the south, while M and PQ are five ladies sitting in a second line parallel to the first line and are facing to the north. Okay, so while reading the instructions, please start drawing so that it will be time saving. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E are facing to the south and ladies are facing to the north. Okay, so there is no rocket science as of now. D, who is just next to the left of D, is opposite to Q. Okay, so ABCDE will be at the top and MNOPQ will be at the down. Okay, so B is just next to the left of D, so ABCD's left side will be our right side. Okay, so their left side will be our right side. That means if D is present here, then B will be here because B is just next to the left of D and B is opposite to Q. Okay, B is opposite to Q. So that means Q will be here. Okay, M and PQ are present in the downside. Okay, that means Q will be opposite to the B. Okay, C and N are diagonally opposite, so C can be here, N can be here, C can be here, N can be here, and vice versa. Okay, I am not just putting this right up as of now because this will be problematic. Okay, E is opposite to O, who is just next to right of M. E is opposite to O, who is just next to right of M, and this instruction is not alone sufficient. Okay, this instruction is dependent on this number 6 instructions. Okay, M is at the one end of the line, at the one end of the line. So if M is present here, let's say M is present here, then this is false because M is someone is present right of M, someone is present right of M. That means if M is at the end, then no one can present right side of him. Okay, right side of her. Okay, so that means M must be present this side so that someone can be present right side of M. Okay, so I hope you understood. So now let's discuss the fourth instruction. E is opposite to O, who is just next to right of M. So just next to right of M is present whom? That is O. Okay, just next to the right of M is O and E is opposite to O. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let's discuss the fifth instruction. P, who is just to the left of Q, is opposite to D. Okay, so P, who is just left to the Q, is opposite to D. So this is D and this is P, they are opposite to each other, so this is fine. Okay, now we had an instruction 3, C and N are diagonally opposite. Okay, so N cannot be present here, N has only one place, that is in the downside. Okay, and this is only place which is vacant, so N must be here, and opposite to N in diagonal side, that is C. So all are vacant, all are now occupied, just vacant is this position and this must be A. Okay, so now let's discuss the question. So question is, who is sitting third to the right of O? Who is sitting third to the right of O? So third to the right of O is N. Okay, so third to the right of O is N. So the correct answer will be option B. So I hope you understood. Okay, so let me show you the actual questions of Accenture which was asked on 3rd May. So the question is this. Okay, so please read the questions. I'm not reading it. Please solve the problem. I have the solutions, but I am not giving you the solutions. Okay, so this is actually from our prime materials. So if you want the prime materials in which I have included all the recent coding questions with answers, all the technical and cognitive questions with answers, so please, if you want, then please DM me at my Insta ID instagram.com/techno.ef, or you can DM me at our Telegram channel t.me/ubkanna. Just say hi, I'll ping you. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, please join there because I will share all the updates regarding various corporates. Okay, so please join there. So thank you for today's session.